another update, y'all. Today is Saturday, July 23rd. Is it the 23rd? Yeah. 23rd. Here we go. All right, you guys, I'm going through the front door, and here we come to the office. As you can see, drywall is all complete. There's still some spots on here that's wet, so just waiting on it to dry before they start what they call a rough painting, which is basically just, priming everything out before they actually put my color on. So, got our closet in here. Now we're going into the kitchen and the living area. With the drywall being done, it makes the space come together a lot more, because now we can see where we're going to put things. We can measure things out. I'm just super excited that it's all complete now. Just spanning over everything so you guys can see. I still gotta figure out what I'm going to put on the walls. Like, am I going to buy some artwork? Do I want portraits? Like, what am I going to do? I haven't really decided that yet. So, y'all help me out down there in the comments what you think I should do. All right, so here's Kamani's room. She's got the high ceilings. And she wants to do like a bohemian theme in her room. So she kind of has that going on now. So a lot of stuff that she has, she's going to keep and just add a little bit more stuff to it as she goes along. Bathroom's a little bit dark, but I still wanted you guys to see it. Okay, now we're going to go into the garage. We have cabinets in our garage already. So hopefully one day this week, they will be installed. They got to get the paint in there first before they put the cabinets in. So we've got all of them there. I'm going to show you what they look like. They're just the white shaker cabinets with chrome handles. I may end up changing out the chrome handles once we get in there to maybe black. Okay, and here we are going up our steps. To the second floor. All right, and we've got Mila's room. So Mila wants a bohemian theme as well. She wants to imitate her big sister, so we're gonna get that going on in there for her. Here we have, I think Kamani was asking me a question right here, so. But this is our loft area. I need to figure out what to do on that wall. We've got the sectional that we're going to put up here. Got another bedroom here. This one's going to be Chloe's room. I don't know what she wants to do in her room. We'll see that whenever we move in. All the bedrooms are pretty good size. The closets are the same size in each room, so nobody's fighting over who has a bigger closet. little space. I think I can put like a plant or something right here. And then there's another little space right there. I don't want it to be just sitting empty looking weird. But here's their bathroom. And then we're going into the laundry room here. Good amount of space. The only storage that's in here is like a wire shelf. So I'm gonna have to see about getting some type of storage in there. And then we've got this linen closet. Decent size. And this is Soleil's bedroom. So Soleil's room I'm actually really excited to do. She is really into music and anime. So we're gonna combine the two together, which is really gonna, like, when you walk in her room, it's gonna be like, okay, this is Soleil. Okay, now we're walking around to the master bedroom. I've got little nooks. I don't want to put a plant in every corner, but I'm gonna find something to put in the corners. So as you guys seen from my previous video, it's a pretty good size master bedroom. We've got the bathroom. We've got the separate shower with the bathtub. And then we've got the water closet. And then we'll have the double vanities right here in the master. Okay, our closet. I really want to do like a custom closet in here. That's going to be one of my projects, so I want you guys to stay tuned for that. I think it's going to be neat. But yeah, here is downstairs. Thank you for tuning in this week to From the Ground Up with Mika. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next week.